This video will help you understand all about host travel agencies and the many opportunities that they offer. And I'm Joni Ogg. The first host travel agencies and the opportunities they offer surfaced after the Airline Deregulation Act, which took place in 1981. And prior to the act, the travel agent industry was heavily regulated by the CAB, or the Civil Aeronautics Board, the ATC, the Air Traffic Conference, and IATA, the International Airline Transport Association. Prior to this, travel agents were required to maintain their airline appointments, and individual agents tended to be employees of a travel agency. If they wanted to start their own, they had to qualify and file for airline appointments. And this required a huge financial investment, so there were not too many agents that started out on their own. The act ended up closing the CAB in 1985 and had the effect of kicking IATA out of the U.S. as anti-competitive. The ATC was replaced with a for-profit ARC, Airline Reporting Corporation, which still exists today. As for the airline business, it was turned upside down and saw many legacy airlines go bankrupt. It completely set travel agents loose to morph in whatever way they could. Consortia, who provided a supplier distribution channel, quickly lost their luster simply because they were not adding value to the supplier for the portion of dollars they were taking from a transaction. And suppliers started coming up with individual agency productivity requirements, since you could see what travel agencies were actually booking them and which ones were not. Tom and I started one of the first credible host travel agencies back in 1985, when it became obvious that the consortium our agency belonged to was being held to an individual agency productivity standard to obtain overrides. We thought it made perfect sense to aggregate independent agents' revenue under our ARC number as a way to increase our revenue, and thus our commissions and our overrides. It worked well, as the suppliers could not see our agents because all of the revenue came through our ARC number, not a separate number. By the 1990s, it became obvious that agents were moving to a home base, and that aggregating revenues as a host agency seemed to be the way forward. And this created the modern-day host agencies and the opportunities that they offer. A host agency is an agency that provides the professional services that an independent travel agency requires to perform the function of selling travel at a consumer level as a business. Now, this includes operational, marketing, accounting, supplier negotiations, training, and much more. A host agency acts as the middleman between their network of independent travel agents and travel industry suppliers. All of the agents in a host agency network use the host's ARC number for booking their travel, so that suppliers see the entire group as one reputable agency rather than as each independent agent separately. Individually, the agents probably would not have enough revenue volume to qualify for overrides and cooperative marketing funds, but collectively they do. The host agency model allows small independent agents to forego the expense of obtaining an ARC appointment and other credentials needed to operate their business, and the expense of creating a startup. In addition, the independent agents enjoy the commissions, overrides, and special pricing that the combined revenue of the network produce, which are generally much more than they could access if they were on their own. And host agencies generally share commissions with their network and also have either a monthly or annual fee to be a member. So unless you have lots of experience and a well-established travel niche, every new travel agent really should consider affiliating with a host agency. This is especially true if you are just starting out. Now, here are some reasons why. Unlike starting your own travel business from scratch, affiliating with the right host agency allows you to immediately start selling travel and making money. Some host agencies specialize in taking on brand new to the industry travel agents, and they can get you up and selling right away. To locate this type of host agency, simply visit findahosttravelagency.com and click on Yes for the search filter, New Agent Training Program, and so on. This will present the host agencies that will get you selling travel immediately. The ability to sidestep the startup period is just one opportunity host agencies offer. And training and education is offered by all host travel agencies and is an excellent opportunity to gain knowledge and experience from a successful host agency while you're selling travel. Most host agencies have hundreds of hours of on-demand training that you can take at your leisure. And the on-demand training covers all aspects of operating your home-based travel business, including marketing, operations, accounting, supplier training, social media marketing, and so much more. And when you think about it, as you are starting your agency, you're going to learn by actually selling travel and also discover topics you probably never even thought of before starting your business. This is truly one of the most important opportunities that host agencies offer. And many host agencies, especially the ones that work with new agents, offer mentoring and business coaching for their agents. The reason is pretty obvious, and that is because the more effective the host agency can make you, the more you will sell. And by selling more, you not only make more money, but so does the host agency. If you were independent of a host, you would pay dearly to gain the knowledge and experience that mentors and business coaches could provide. This is indeed one of the largest opportunities offered by host travel agencies. Host agencies generally offer the availability of mentors and business coaches to all of their affiliated agents, and there is never a charge for their time and their services. And when you join an established host agency, you're joining one of the most credible organizations in the travel industry. Host agencies tend to be some of the largest accounts for many major suppliers, and as such, tend to receive the top perks, pricing, and attention. Having the attention of a supplier will only help you be successful should you have a client that needs attention from that supplier. And without question, your host travel agency is going to offer digital technology for you to use in your business, and it's going to cover the entire gamut of functions that you need to master. And here's just a brief description of what they might offer. A CRM is technology that allows you to manage your relationships with clients and potential clients with the focus on growing your business. A CRM helps you track all of the relationship details in a way that helps you grow the relationships and focus on your clients' unique and special needs, wants, and desires. A CRM enables your business to selectively market to individuals, not groups, and is a powerful way to build individual relationships. Host travel agencies will also give you the opportunity to engage in social media marketing programs. They're going to offer tips and tricks that successful affiliated agencies use to market preferred supplier campaigns that produce results. Host travel agencies are deeply involved in social media and will be able to help you gain new clients and sales via social media marketing. And virtually all host agencies will provide you with a robust consumer website that will make you look much bigger than you are from day one. It may have a consumer booking portal for commodity-type transactions such as domestic airline tickets, car rentals, and other miscellaneous low-end sales. Your host agency may offer one or more booking portals such as a GDS, Global Distribution System, or other proprietary technology. Cruise-oriented host agencies will undoubtedly have a cruise booking portal and possibly a cruise group desk to aggregate cruise passengers into independent groups. Having access to booking portals dramatically increases your efficiency. And your host agency will instantly make your back room operation efficient by having technology for all types of transactions, accounting, commission tracking, refund processing, and so much more, which is going to make operating your travel business super efficient. Look for your host agency to offer lots of expertise and support for your digital marketing campaigns. Sophisticated targeted email marketing, brochure, flyers, and other graphical, digital, and print production capabilities, and video editing are just examples of what a host agency may have available for your use. And there are many other opportunities that your host travel agency may offer, but this should give you an excellent idea of what is available. So here are some of the key points that we need to take away from this tutorial. History has created amazing opportunities for entrepreneurs like yourself in the travel industry. Understand what a host agency does when you choose your host agency. Learn, earn, and grow your own business working through a host travel agency. And take advantage of the tremendous technology that's available to you. Thank you so much for watching this short tutorial on host travel agencies and the opportunities they offer. We hope that you've enjoyed it, and if so, why not give it a like or a share? And if you would like to know when we release future tutorials, just subscribe to our channel.